What's up, you guys? It's your girl Mama, and I'm coming to you today with another video. And today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day look because Wednesday is Valentine's Day. So either if you're going out on Wednesday night or you're saving the date for this weekend, this will be a look for you. And if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so I just finished my eyebrows and we're going to go ahead and start with our eyes. And if you guys want to know the products that I use for my eyes, I use the Brow by Benefits Cosmetics. This is in the color number 4. And I outlined my brows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Fawn. And my eyeshadow primer that I'm using today is the Urban Decay, and this is in the color Eden. The eyeshadow palette, you guys, that we're going to be using today is the HudaBeauty, and this is the Mauve palette, the Mauve Obsessions, and this is what it looks like. It just has these deep burgundies, and that's why I want to use this particular one today. So to start off with our inner crease, we're going to take this color right here, and you're just going to take that and blend that all in your crease. Now that that is done, we're going to go ahead and apply the color onto our lids. And the color that we're going to be using today is this beautiful burgundy color, which is right here. Alright, you guys, now we're going to go back in with our blending brush that we use for our crease, and we're just going to blend our crease color and the color that's on our lid. We're just going to blend those two together. Alright, you guys, so now that we're done with that, we're going to go back in with this color right here, and we're going to take that and blend that in into the outer corners of our eye. Guys, so now that we have all the colors that we want to be using for our lid and our crease blended in, we're going to stop. As you guys already know, I'm going to go and apply eyeliner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I've already applied my eyelashes and my eyeliner. The lashes that I have on right now are Wispies from Kiss, and the eyeliner that I'm using is the Stilla waterproof eyeliner. And I've already also went ahead and applied my primer off camera, and the primer that I use is the Ulta matte primer, and that I apply all over my face. And the foundation that we're going to be using today is the Lancome foundation. This is in the color 470. And we'll be applying that with a beauty blender. guys, so now that that is done, we're going to go in with our concealer. The concealer that we're going to be using is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. This is like my all-time favorite, you guys. I use this almost every day when it comes down to eyebrows, everything. I love this concealer, y'all. So now that our concealer is applied, we're going to go in with our setting powder. The setting powder that we're going to be using today is by Patrick Starr, and this is from his MAC line. And we're going to take this and apply this everywhere that we apply our concealer. Now we're going to take a powder brush and brush off the excess powder. Alright, you guys, now we're going to contour our face. You guys, I have to sneeze every time I put on powder. Whew. Okay, so now we're going to contour our face, and we're going to be using our Fenty Beauty Matchstick. This is in the color Expresso. Alright, you guys, now I'm going to go back in with my Patrick Starr setting powder, and I'm going to outline the bottom of my cheeks to kind of chisel my face just a little bit more. And now we're going to take a powder brush and brush off the excess. Guys, now what we're going to do is set our face all over, and we're going to do that by using our Maucier setting powder. This is in the color Translucent Medium Deep. You guys, now we're going to go in with our contour powder. The contour powder, we're going to be using the all famous Ulta Cosmetics contour kits, and we're going to be using the color Goddess, the Goddess bronzer, which is right here, to contour our cheeks. So after we do that, we're going to go in with our blush. The blusher we're going to be using today is by Makeup Forever, and this is one of their duo kits. And this, I'll be using this blush right here. like me and got a little too heavy-handed, which I definitely did, especially on this side. We're going to go back in with our powder brush, and we're just going to take our all over face powder, and we're just going to blend it out just a little bit more to just dull that color down, because I went a little too crazy with it. Alright, you guys, so after that is done, we're going to go in with our highlight. And the highlight that we're going to be using today, I'll be using my Bobbi Brown Bobbi to Glow Highlighting Trio palette. This is what we're looking like today. And basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be mixing all three colors to get my highlights. So now that that is done, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to smudge out our bottom lid. So with that, we're going to get a smudge brush and if I could find one, would be lovely. So we're going to get our Huda palette right here, and we're going to take this color right there and just smudge out our bottom line. Ooh, that made my eyes water, y'all. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're not going to stop there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner and do put the black eyeliner on my waterline. So now that that is done, we're going to go in with our lips. And the lips, what we're going to be using is this beautiful color. This is Dreaming of You. This was a limited edition from MAC. This is the Selena line, and this is one of my favorite lip colors, you guys. I absolutely love it, and I thought it would just be perfect for this particular look. And we're going to apply that to our lips. guys, to set our face, we're going to be going in with our Urban Decay DeSlick setting spray, which is almost gone. And you guys, we are done. I wish I had better lighting. But this is the completed look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I myself will be in class on Wednesday, and my nephew is due this weekend. I cannot wait for baby Kendrick to get here. So I will be tied up with my sister and a newborn this weekend. So Kendrick is my Valentine. But anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or anything like that, just leave a comment down below. And we will be dropping videos weekly. I'm so sorry, you guys, for the delay on last week. But with my schoolwork and things like that, sometimes things do get a little hectic. But we will be dropping videos weekly. And stay tuned for the next one. Love you guys. Bye.